Earthbondhon, electrical and electronic engineering. Any question write in the comment box. More update please subscribe our channel. Notification to press the bell icon. Hi everybody, today I will share about logic gates. Presenting the NOT gate by Earthbondhon. How they work today I am going to explain. NOT gate circuit diagram drawing. Output Y light. Input A. NOT gate symbol. NOT gate truth table. NOT gate input a 0. NOT gate output Y0. Power supply. Positive signal. Negative signal. 0 or false, 1 or true. Input a switch shown as open, output Y as true or light on. Input a switch shown as closed, output Y as false or light off. Thanks for watching the video. Don't not forget to like and share. Please subscribe our channel.